Hey guys, it's Time Shark, and today I'm gonna continue my my Scratch platform tutorial. So I actually already started recording part 3, but in the middle of the recording, my iPad ran out of battery. So all I did so far is I made a thumbnail. I designed it like this. I made like a YouTube thumbnail with a scratch count tab because this is like my YouTube tutorial platform. I made a new variable called timex. They set it to timer plus like a 0 point, a bunch of zeros, and then 1. And then whenever green flag clicked hide, go to front layer, and forever go to 0, 0. And whenever the timer is greater than the variable timex show, then in part 2, whenever I tried to make the moving lava, I found out that I just needed to make it a separate sprite. So I went to all of my danger sprites and found all the ones with lava, copied and pasted it into this new sprite, then deleted all of them. And then I put whenever green flag clicked, switch costume to costume 1. Whenever I receive message 1, next costume. And whenever green flag clicked forever, go to the position I wanted to. You don't put that. Go to the position you wanted to. Then go to the back layer. Repeat 10 times. Change y by -1. Repeat 10 times. Change y by 1. So now it looks like this. Oh yeah, and then next we did was enemies. So I was planning to do both for like 2 kinds of enemies, like gliding enemies, where an enemy glides from one position to another. Then it's gonna make one of following enemies that follow you. So like first I'm gonna go over the gliding enemy script. Then and then if you want to do following enemies, skip later into the video. So for the enemy, I designed this an enemy. Then do whenever green flag clicked hide. Only put hide if like you don't want it to show on the first level forever. And then actually this is something I want to change, the if else. I just want to do if. Oh, and then level equals 2. I want it to show up in the first level. And then show and repeat until it's the next level. Go to a position, use the glide block and glide from one position to another. And then I was originally gonna do else hide, but I also like in this is also something I did in Adventure Isle, wherever it's a much more effective way. Whenever green flag clicked forever, and then if equals, put ors if you want the enemy to appear in multiple levels. I only want it to appear in one. And actually, since I already put a spike on that level, I'm going to just make a new level, maybe like, I don't know, slanted one. I've never made a slanted level in my games, but that's gonna be fun, right? Actually, I think it would be better like this. And then, since that's actually the 4th one, I'll change it to 4. 2 equals 5. And then grab an if else, and then level equals, and then type the one levels that you want to appear on. I want to appear on the fourth one, so broadcast a message. I don't know. Inside Adventure Isle, I called it hide for like enemy hide. You can literally call it enemy hide. And then else broadcast like enemy show or something. Receive enemy hide. I tried I've tried multiple things like if else, if equals, but then I found out that like a message is actually the best way to get it hide automatically, or else it'll finish the gliding and then hide. Enemy show. Wait. No, it's the other way around. Okay. I found out, even while playing on computer, which I'm much better at, I found out that like this spike is still impossible because it's too long. Then I need to make it short. Now it kind of looks like a little bump, but hey. Shouldn't we be able to wall jump? I put in my wall jumping script. Maybe I should. Yeah, great. All the controls are confusing. I'm just gonna go into this and then this. And since the level's now different, I need to make the Y lower. Okay, like a -21. And then that's good. So now, guys, if you want following enemies, here's a tutorial for that. So let's move these up here, and then basically first just like backpedal backpack your player script. I think maybe I should delete it. Why isn't hacking? Whatever, guys. I'll see you back after. Since on mobile I can't backpack really. I'll have to recode you guys' backpack since I'm pretty sure most of you guys are on computer. If not, then just recode it. Since it'll take a while, I'm just going to see you back when I'm done. Goodbye. Hey guys, and I'm done recoding. But before I get back into coding, I just want to tell you that I'm hosting a game contest on Scratch for 20 followers. Well, yesterday I got 20 followers. Today I got 4 more. I got 4 more followers, 24. Whatever. I'm hosting a game con on Scratch, and please join. And if you don't want to join, please become a prize giver. But what you have to do to make the enemy follow you is just take out this, and do should do if the X position of the player is greater than its X. Oh yeah, by the way, make 2 variables called enemy X and enemy Y. Why aren't they showing up? X. Why can't I see it? Whatever. Just replace everything. Like, replace all of the Y's with enemy Y's and replace all of the X's with enemy X's. And also for the second one, do if the X position of the player is less than the X position of its X position. Come on, I don't see the enemy X. If I try refreshing. Yeah, now I see it. Okay, that's good. Then basically that's it. And for some, and then take out these, and then go back to the layer script and do or, and then in the last or that we did, put the enemy. He's moving so slow. It should be working. Oh yeah, I forgot to do. Other players are moving so slow now. They make sure they didn't keep the XV or YV. Oh, that's why. You need to make sure to make sure there's no enemy. There's no XV or YV. Instead, it's enemy X and enemy Y. Because then that'll affect the player. Sprite 6. What? Why are we moving the enemy? I don't know. Guys, don't you get the basic premise? If I don't know what to fix. Oh, I changed X, not the deaths variable. Why is he sinking? Didn't we make the script? Yeah. I'll check my messages later. And yeah. In Adventure Hour 2, which is currently being worked on, let's try to fix it. If we can't, let me just end the video now that we know the basic. Oh, I put the same exact thing. That should work. So I guess I'm just gonna end the video here. You guys know the basic premise. If the player's over here, the X position of the player, and it's greater than its X position, it'll move that way. If its X position, let's say the enemy was over where the player was, and then the player is all the way over here, it will move that way to get the player. My God, I'm gonna end the whole tutorial here. So until next time, goodbye.